My name is Ranga Perera. I work as a private chef in Bozeman, Montana. Avid fly fisherman. But when I get outside, I like to cook as well. Today, I got to meet up with my good friend Jeremy. We've known each other for about 15 years, and we wanted to collaborate on a fishing project. And so we decided to come out here and fish together after several years and cook up some yummy food and make a cocktail as well to go with it. In my personal opinion, I like to lake fish at a particular time of year, typically late summer into fall. It's just a very different environment than I'm used to fishing. I like it because it's almost always in a mind-bogglingly beautiful place. And again, because you've got to put in some work to get there, you almost always have it to yourself, especially late in the season. All right, cocktail?
Cocktail.
About a year ago, I had gathered a bunch of newly budded spruce tips. And what you do is you mix that with honey and it ferments just like mead. And so I did a vodka Collins with local vodka infused with lemons from my mom's yard, fresh lemon juice, soda water, and that spruce tip honey. It was just a nice, refreshing cocktail and paired really, really well with our simple sandwich. So today, Jeremy and I both decided that a fried fish sandwich just sounded delicious. There we go. That's the clean cut right there. I remember my first one when I was probably 12 or 13, moving here from Sri Lanka, and I was like, oh my God, this is delicious. Just a really nice, simple dish that really took me back to childhood. We were able to basically do a tempura batter for the fish. So why I like to use something with bubbles is it creates just a really nice, airy, crispy batter. You don't want to like blend till smooth because then it starts to develop gluten and then it gets really hard. It loses that kind of like crispy, crunchy thing. You see how it's still chunky? Cool. That's ready. Fry it up in oil over a fire. I picked up some brioche bread from a local bakery in Bozeman, toasted the buns. We had a Cajun remoulade and some bibb lettuce in there for the sandwich, accompanied with just some simple chips. Look at you, you're already frothing, bro. Bon appetit. Just being able to eat a really good lunch and have a good cocktail with a good friend, it was an absolute treat. Just very, very happy to be out here today.
Nice, dude.